Welcome to episode 22. Hello and welcome back. If you've been watching this series sort of sequentially, then you've just watched a whole bunch of episodes around me working on the engine. Well, this week it's a diversion, mainly because I've had these turn up. These are my handlebar switches from Revival Cycles, and they're rather beautiful. And I thought what I'll do is I'll actually show you my handlebar layout this week. Just a mock-up of how it's going to look, and a bit of a change from engines, and watch and enjoy. Right, well, we've got a whole stack here of bubble wrap stuff that's come in the post. So all my handlebar layout is new, the bars are new, the levers are new, the switches are new, the throttle, the mirrors, the whole piece. So let me unwrap some of this stuff and take you through it. Okay, I'll start with these 3-button switches from Revival. I've got 2 sets, so I've got 6 switches on the bike, and these are the from the first batch of stuff they've produced. I did actually follow that on their YouTube channel, watched them getting developed, and then these were perfect 3 switches in a line vertically. Wasn't too keen on the Motone one, which is triangular. Didn't think that fitted well. Didn't like the Motor Gadget one with 2 on the front and 1 on the back. This was after actually 3 in a row. And then these came out, and aren't they just things of beauty? Absolutely awesome. So I'll show those in a second on the bike. While I'm at it, throttle wise, I've been after this for a while. This is a Domino. Those of you who know Domino, I think it's by Tomasi. And anyway, this is a Domino twin pull throttle, which was obviously with my twin cylinder bike and with a twin pull. So that's the throttle, and it came with these grips, which are great. One for the throttle end and one for the other end. So that's those things done. Okay, my levers, I've gone for some budgetary constraint aftermarket levers. So I've obviously on this bike got a cable clutch and a hydraulic brake. So those are the levers, and then I think I've changed before, my Oberon mirrors, which are an eBay special, and bar end mirrors, and are things of beauty. So what I'm going to do now is mock these up on the bike. Okay, the first thing I'll slide on is my clutch actuation. Just pop that on there loosely. Okay, followed by my switch assembly. Gently try to scratch the okay, I'm not going to fit the rubber just yet, on the grounds that it won't come off again. So I'd say that's about right distance wise. So I'll just nip those little fellas up. These are 7/8 inch bars. And there, that's rather snugly and snug. Beautiful. That's great. Okay, and the other side. So again, I'll fit the lever first. Followed by my switch. Okay, followed by my throttle body. There you go. And then just tighten that lever. Okay, so roughly that. Very good. So that's how they're going to look. Okay, just to show you how the grips will look, I've got the grip from the throttle body, which is obviously the wider diameter, and that will go over there like so. Okay, and then pop the Oberon bar end in there. Which way we're doing this? That way, I think. Oops. There you go. So something like that for the mirror. Let me show you that. You see how that goes? Like that. So I'm quite liking that as a bar setup. Jolly good. So there you go. My handlebar config. When I actually do this properly, I'm going to route all the cables inside the handlebars. So there'll be a separate video. I'll show you how I'll drill the bar under the switch, route the cables. I've got one of those little, I think it's called an M button, motor gadget M button, to help me route the cables and all that good stuff. Anyway, a little brief respite from the engine. Normal service resume next time. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.